Hi, Pat with Guaranty RV in Junction City. Today we're going to look at a Big Country 3850 MB. This is a beautiful unit. Let's start inside. Follow me. Got a nice entertainment center, large 58-inch screen TV, couch, love seats. These seats actually massage, heat, and they open and close by push of a button there, so it's real convenient for you. Got a nice center kitchen island with two different size sinks, kind of a rinse-off sink and then a nice big sink. Convection microwave, 3-burner Furion stovetop. I like this one because they're all in line, so if you're cooking on a griddle, it's the same temperature all the way across. And a nice oven. Large refrigerator and freezer with dual doors. Lots of space for all your food and stuff that you need to take with you. And this is kind of unusual but very nice. A private TV room. Maybe you have kids or grandkids with you and they want to watch something different than what you're watching. They have this private room and TV, and lots of storage. Could be your extra pantry if you wanted. Alright, let's run upstairs. Here's your control center where you have all your switches to run the unit. Love this part. It's got a loft that somebody can sleep in. Great place for kids or grandkids. Even an adult can sleep up there just fine. It's quite large. Again, more storage. And a bathroom with Jack and Jill doors. So you can have access from the main part of the RV or just from the master bedroom. Nice size shower with a big skylight. In the master bedroom, again, we have really good storage, own private TV. Both sides of the king size bed have USB ports, so you can charge your phones, tablets, whatever you need to. Again, large storage space. And this closet is prepped for a combination washer dryer. This unit has lots of storage with magnetic latches. Nice size storage space here. And then we have the pass-through storage, tons and tons of space. You have a propane tank on each side, so we have 2 tanks for you ready to go. This unit comes generator ready, so if you want to put a generator in, it's just a case of plug and play. We have the second propane tank. And I kind of like this door. It swings open, so you have access to the pass-through. You got your auto level for your stabilization of your unit. And here, this is where you control all of your gray tank, black tank, fresh water is all done from here. You'll notice it's behind a closed door. That's because that space is heated, so our tanks won't freeze up on us. Hot water heater and furnace. And here is where the electrical cord goes. It's on a reel that's electronically run, so you just pull it out and when you're ready to leave, hit the button, it'll roll it back up for you. And then on the back side, we have a ladder to get to the roof. Thank you again for viewing this video, and my name is Pat and I'm with Guaranty RV.